Now I am going to discuss about the experiment. Trace the path of ray of light passing through a glass slab and measure the angle of deviation for different angle of incidence. First of all, we will fix a white paper on the drawing board and with the help of the paper pins. Now the materials required are prism. We are taking the equilateral prism, protractor, pencil, scale and erasers we will take. Now first of all we will draw a straight line here. We will draw a straight line here and place the prism on this straight line. This straight line, and we will draw the outline of the prism. Outlines of the prism we will draw here. Now take a point in between
the prism.
And draw a normal with the help of the protractor here. Draw a normal with the help of protractor. Now here that is a normal here. This is the normal. Or we will take the angle of incidence as 30 degree, 45 and 60 degree. So here now I am going to take the angle of incidence that is 45 degree. That is 45 degree. Now here that is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Between 40 and 50. So this is the angle of incidence, that is the 45 degree. Angle of incidence 45 degree. Now we will place two pins on this line. Paper pins here. Two pins we will fix on this line. One pin and that is the second pin. Now we will fix this. Now again, where is prism? Now we will place we will observe these two pins with the help of this refracting surface. Now here we will observe from that side you observe all the four pins lie along the same line or not?
Yes, sir.
Here all the four pins lie in the same line. Now observe clearly.
Yes, sir.
All the four pins lie along the same line.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? So ray will deviate here from its path. And from rare to denser bend toward the normal, denser to rare goes away from the normal. So here all the four pins lie along the same line. Now we will mark here. This is the pin P1. This is pin P2. This is pin P3. Or this is pin P4. This is pin P4. Now again draw a normal here. This is emergent ray and emergent. Now we will नहीं देखो इसको आप This is extend the incident ray. So now this is the angle of deviation. The angle made by the extended part of the incident ray and the extended part of emergent in backward direction, that is the angle of deviation here. Now we will draw a normal at this point, and that will be the draw the normal at this point. Clear? 90 degrees.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now again draw the normal. Now this is normal. This is N dash, or it will be the angle of emergence.
Emergence.
This is angle of prism.
Angle present.
So now I have taken here 45 degree. I, that is 45 degree. Here we have to observe the I plus E. I plus E is equal to A plus delta.
Delta.
Now I have taken I is equal to 45 degree and angle of prism, that is 60 degree. Now measure the angle of deviation. Protector bring protector. Protector bring protector.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Now measure the angle of deviation. What will be the angle of deviation here? Place here. Yes, sir. You are right. Angle of deviation. That will be the 45 degree.
Yes, sir.
45.
Yes, sir.
So delta has come here 45 degree. Or E
गलत जा रहा है।
ठीक है सर, मोबाइल नहीं दिख रहा है।
56 के लगभग है, अप्रॉक्स 56. ये हो गया
60.
56.
Approx.
So E 56. Now I plus E, what has come? I 45, E 60, that is equal to 105, or A plus delta means
ये 60 plus delta का
I plus E मतलब 45 और 56 है ना?
यस सर।
45 और 56. What is has come?
सर देखो 9
109 104
111 होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
I plus E
104 होगा सर। 101
101
101 होगा
और A plus delta
60 plus 45
plus 45.
45
This is not a 45. Now measure against one times. This is not a 45 degree. Approx.
It goes with approx 45 sir.
Huh?
Approx 45.
Approx 45 it has come. That is has come 105. So anywhere the measurement, some difficulty in measurement here. Or delta. Normal is not at that point. Normal again, you have to change this normal here.
Oscar
It is also 70. It will also equal to 60. Draw the normal again. Clearly see, draw the normal here. Now this
sir.
check normal. This line is lie along this.
Yes, reader.
Now draw the normal. इस पॉइंट पर नॉर्मल ड्रॉ कर यहाँ ड्रॉ अगेन नाउ दिस ठीक है यहाँ पर नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करो प्रोटेक्टर से लेकर चला नाउ इट इज 60 इट विल कम ई विल बी 60 डिग्री
जैसे 60 था
ई 60 आएंगे और 60 प्लस 45 105 ईयर
yes sir
और 60 प्लस 45 105
so it means I plus E is equal to
so
E plus delta
I plus E is equal to A plus delta. Here I plus E is equal to A plus delta. So end dash here that is. So now angle of incidence, angle of deviation, angle of emergence or angle of prism, that is 60 degrees. So in case of the prism, I plus E is equal to A plus delta. So you have to measure the angle of deviation for different angle of incidence. So experiment name is trace the path of ray of light passing through
equilateral prism
a prism and measure the angle of deviation
deviation
for different angle of incidence for
different angles
different angle of incidence ठीक है और you prove that I plus E is equal to A plus delta. So we have taken the I 45 degree. Then the last experiment we have taken I is equal to 30 degree. Now take the next angle of 30 degree and draw the experiment. So take 30 degree 60 and 45 already we have taken. So now at 30 degree again you can prove. So here I plus E A plus delta. Or in one case the I will be equal to E and R1 will be equal to R2. I will be equal to E for the angle of minimum deviation. In case of the angle of minimum deviation, the I will be equal to E. Or if you plot a graph, then it will come like this. If you plot a graph, so the angle of minimum deviation, so the angle, this is delta M or this is Im. So the angle of incidence at which the angle of deviation will be minimum, that is called the angle of minimum deviation. So angle of deviation or angle, if you plot a graph between delta and I, it will first decrease and then abruptly increases. So the angle at which the angle of deviation will be minimum, that is called the angle of minimum deviation. So in that case, I will be equal to E, only in this case. So in case of angle of minimum deviation, in case of angle of minimum deviation, I will be equal to E. So only in one case, but generally I is not equal to E here. So only in your experiment, only you have to trace the path of ray of light and measure the angle of deviation for different angle of incidence.
So what satisfies this?
I plus E, angle of incidence or angle of emergence, is sum of the angle of incidence, angle of emergence is equal to the sum of angle of prism and angle of deviation. So that is, if your experiment is correct, then it will be proved. And mathematically you can also prove it. I plus E is equal to A plus delta. ठीक है? So thank you.